What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Wylde Willow. So I think it's been 2 or 3 weeks since my last video. If you're new here, I'm doing a series of videos showing the process of us remodeling our laser shop. Today I'm going to take you guys along the way, show you guys a bunch of stuff that I'm going to be doing today. But before we get started, let's do a recap of the last 2 to 3 weeks. All right, let's go. We did get the shop fully painted and it looks freaking amazing. What a transformation that is. The baseboards are like these rubber baseboards. I think we got them on Amazon. They were super cheap, super easy to install, and it just gives it a nice finish for the shop. Some stuff that we did outside, I'll show you guys. All right, so we laid some bark out front. We instantly regretted that decision because the neighborhood kitties have been pooping in it. This is what happens when your husband has a bum back. You have to do all the heavy lifting for him. Right, babe? Joel is painting the walls right now. He did stay up literally the entire night last night doing all of the trim, the ceiling. He cleaned the windows and he did a bunch of other stuff, and he's already back at it again. The man is a savage. Mama's overstimulated because I got the kids and it's a lot. Trying to get work done while the kids have all these needs. Luckily, I have my cousin here, Ian, the electrician. Let's go. He's going to be setting up our electrical stuff on this wall tonight. Okay, so we have our electrical so far on this wall. We have removed so much stuff from the middle of the shop. We're just trying to get things out of the way so that we can clean these floors because the floors are very dirty, and then we can start laying the tape. I like to see you on your hands and knees. He's doing the woman's work right now.
Please, Emily, can I please stop cleaning now? Please.
Never.
My fingers are bleeding.
All right, so that whole area is already scrubbed. Joel did this today. We have a few more sections left. All right, so we got, well, not we, Joel did this. He sweeped everything out here, got it all cleaned up. Back here is going to be our last priority. We're just making it look better than it did. We have
stage one.
Yeah,
is sweeping.
it's stage one.
It's just first draft.
First draft, sweep it up. Okay, so some things that we have done in the last couple days. I'm gonna show you guys. I laid down masking tape in all the areas where things are gonna go. That chair's not staying right there. These are our shelves right here. We're gonna have an orders shelf where we can put orders that we're working on, and then also a hat inventory shelf. These are pretty big. Right here, this is the storage that is going to be for our materials like our leatherette, acrylic. This is where our large sheet goods are gonna go. And then right here is where our big Nova is gonna go. And then right there is where the Titan's gonna go. So we have some of this stuff taped off. Joel is still lost in how he wants to set up his entire area over there. His is a little bit more complicated, but overall his stuff is gonna be all over here, 3D printers and whatnot. So we did get something that's really freaking exciting, and it was a big purchase, but it is much needed. Okay, very excited about this. Let me show you. We got our really freaking cool new toolbox. It's a Husky one. We got it from Home Depot. This is a huge upgrade, and it is much needed for our shop. It is very big and it rolls on wheels. Super cool. Before I forget, we figured out, well, not us, we hired our friend who is an HVAC guy to do the exhaust system setup up in the ceiling. He did a really good job. I'm really excited about it. It's exactly what I envisioned. Thank you, Eddie, for doing that for us. You're the man. Let me show you guys how we have it set up. Okay, so he built this box. Okay, we got the openings for our exhaust. He installed a fan up there. I don't know if you can see it. So that's gonna be sucking everything out. And the cord right there wraps around and goes to that light switch right there. So that way, if we flip that light switch on, then this will kick on, and it has good suction. So, and we have the ability to add more holes for more exhaust if we need to, so that's really cool. So he did a good job, super happy with it. Okay, so I hope that was eventful for all of you, because it was very eventful for us. It was a lot of hard work. So I'm pulling back up to the shop. We're gonna get this day started. We need to lay the floor in my office. I had to go do a little pit stop and get a couple little things to make this day go by easier. I came bearing gifts. How's it going? All right, so we're pretty much done with the floor barrier. Joel's finishing it up over there, cutting it to fit. This stuff is gonna help keep the office a little warmer, or because with just the concrete, it makes it really, really cold in here. And whenever we walk on the vinyl plank flooring, it won't be so clickety clackety. This was like super easy to install.
Whoo-wee. Other way. I'm gonna start. That's the last piece I told.
All right, everybody. So that is a wrap for today's video. I had to cut it short because I had to go pick up my daughter from school. Our goal this weekend is to be fully moved into the shop. Lasers, computers, everything. And then just go from there. If you guys have been tagging along, thank you so much for your guys' support. If you guys have not been tagging along, please hit that subscribe button, because we're going to have a lot more videos coming out soon on how we're going to get this shop set up. We have a lot of new things that are going to be added to this shop to really make it come together, and we're really excited to share it with you guys. So hopefully it can inspire you guys. So hit that subscribe button, please tag along. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you next time. Peace out.